Hello students, I Prabhat Sharma welcome you to the next content of the financial statements without adjustments. Today I will tell you about the basic objectives of preparing the financial statements and the trading and profit and loss account. So the concept of the profit and loss account also, as well as now I am moving to the basic objectives of the preparing of the financial statement. As per the process of accounting, that means first is the recording, then classification, then summarization. After the summarization, the content is analysis and interpretations. So it means the financial statement is used for the analysis as well as to the financial statement. Analysis is the part of the completing of the records and the interpretation means to take the decisions. Financial statement shows true and fair positions of final performance of the business. When I'm talking about the financial performance of the business, it means with the help of the trading and profit and loss account, it will be known. Now, point number 2, that means to show the true and fair positions of financial position of the business. When I'm talking about the financial position, it means I'm referring to balance sheet. Balance sheet shows the financial position with the help of assets, liabilities, and capitals. So that's why the financial performance can be known with the help of revenue and expenses. So the major two objectives are there: fair financial performance and fair financial positions. For this, financial statements covers the two statement. One is income statement and second is position statement. Income statement can be calculated with the help of trading and profit and loss account, and the financial position can be known with the help of balance sheet. Now this is the concept of the trading and profit and loss account. As well as you may see here, the trading and profit and loss account is prepared to know the net earning of the or the net losses of the business over a one particular accounting periods. So the trading and profit and loss generally shows the summary of revenues and expenses of the business. With the help of this, the business can know the gross profit, net profit, operating profit of the business. When revenue is more and expenses are less, then called as net profit. But if expenses are more than the revenues, it is called as loss. So the trading and profit and loss shows the performance of the financial performance of the accounting periods. It can be achieved by transferring the balances of the revenue and expenses to the trading and profit and loss. All the items related with the revenue and expenses will go to the trading and profit and loss. Generally, we get the data from the trial balance. If you are not preparing because the trial balance is not compulsory, directly from the ledger, from the various account, data will be shifted to the trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account is known as an account having the two side debit and credit side. Debit balances will be represented with the expenses and the losses, and the credit balance will be represented with the revenues and earning or gains also. So it will be reflect to the credit side. And the difference of the credit and debit is the revenue and expenses helps to calculate net profit or net loss. If the credit side is more than the debit, then result will be net profit, or if less, then the result will be called as net loss. And this will be transferred to the capital accounts means owners, because this is the right of the owners to take the profits. Thank you.